Kerala, a land abundantly bestowed with the splendors of nature, is famous throughout the world for its panoramic beauty and greenery. Here, you don't see nature, you feel nature, you experience nature. The picturesque beauty of Kerala reminds you of a marvelous landscape painted with bright and beautiful colors.
This is working on a counterweight of a water bag at that point. So water gets filled in, and then by its weight you are pulled up. It works with many pulleys, so you will get the leverage. That is how you go up. You can try.
Tour India, pioneers in the arena of ecotourism, with 35 years of experience in the tourism and hospitality industry, offers you the most fabulous, comfortable and unique abodes within nature, such as houseboats and tree houses. Green Magic Nature Resort at Kalladi in Wayanad, the second of its kind owned by Tour India, will astonish a visitor with its new generation tree houses, eco lodges and cave house. Here in this tree house, you can experience a perfect merge with nature, even while enjoying the comforts of modern life. An eco lodge, built in perfect harmony with nature, is yet another attraction for those who would love to enjoy the ambience of the forest. These tree houses are modelled after Erumadam, the tree house built by the indigenous people of Kerala for various purposes such as hunting and protecting agricultural yield. From here you can see one of the most beautiful sights your eyes have ever witnessed, a panoramic view of Kalladi. The idea of ecotourism doesn't end with living with nature. It also means caring for nature, as conservation of the environment is of utmost importance to us. We use only renewable alternative energy sources. Wayanad, with its greenery and natural beauty, had always been a tourist destination. Home to many indigenous societies, Wayanad is also a center of cultural tourism. Here, we also introduce the visitors to the world of yoga, an essential part of the Indian culture. Travelers of the ancient world anchored at the coast of Malabar, following the aroma of spices, a much coveted item throughout the world from time immemorial. Now, voyagers come to Kerala searching yet another thing, its nature, enchanting and seductive. This cave house, a new and innovative concept of Tour India, enables you to experience the life that your ancestors lived, but with all the modern facilities. Here, you can go back to the prehistoric period that you might have encountered only in history books. Seeing and and sensing the forest, listening to the melodious singing of the birds, you can refresh and rejuvenate yourself in this exquisite and spectacular atmosphere. In fact, this picturesque beauty is our gift to the whole universe.